up, guys? It's Cal Speed, and we're working on a 2011 Rogue here, and the blower motor needs to be changed out, so we've gone ahead and removed that panel here, and the knee protector, and a bracket from up here, and the pedals. Now, I just want to say, whoever designed this airbox and where the actual blower motor is, you're an asshole. There's no other way of putting it. I believe in order to put the cabin air filter in properly, you probably need to remove those pedals. Just from where it's at, like we got, in here, we got mouse debris. So again, that's where your cabin filter goes, in case you're wondering. And then, so up here, we go up, and there's the air, the blower motor. What a great spot. Like, and then you got some other kind of crazy crap going on to take it out, and snaps out, and I mean, yeah, I don't know if you got monkeys as technicians working on these things, flexible like human beings, but yeah, pretty smart, but not really. There's so many other places that could have gone, but as automotive service technicians, we know the designers there, or engineers, are just great guys. But good on you, Nissan. Yeah. Thanks a lot. So we finally got the blower motor out of the Nissan Rogue, and there's a mouse nest in it, so yeah, we're gonna get rid of all that and put it back in, and we shouldn't have any more vibration, and probably a lot better airflow. And then we'll go ahead and put a new cabin filter in. So now I've got the pedal assembly back in, and you can see, like, there's the door for the cabin air filter. You're supposed to get that out without damaging it. So yeah, all around bad design. But that's just my opinion. Yeah, if you like these type of videos, just like and subscribe, and I'll be putting out more soon. Thanks. See you guys.